This video I will explain how merchants can avoid transaction failures in Google Pay. What is a transaction failure? A transaction failure means the payment does not complete successfully. This can happen when the customer's money is not debited, or money is debited but not credited immediately, or the payment shows failed or pending. For merchants, this creates a confusion and customer complaints. What is Google Pay for Business? Google Pay for Business is an app that helps merchants accept UPI payments, receive money directly into the bank, track successful transactions. Google Pay itself does not move money. It uses UPI. UPI connects customer bank and merchant bank. Why do transactions fail? Transaction failures usually happen due to poor internet connection, customer entering wrong UPI PIN, bank server issues, phone or app problems, daily UPI limit exceeded. Most failures are technical, not merchant mistakes. Now we will see how merchants can avoid transaction failures. First point, ensure strong internet connection. Why this matters? UPI needs the internet to work properly. What merchants should do? Use stable mobile data or Wi-Fi. Avoid very weak network areas. Keep mobile data always on during business hours. Second point, always use the official QR code. Why this matters? Incorrect or damaged QR codes can cause failures. What merchants should do? Use only the Google Pay Business QR. Do not use blurred or old printed QR codes. Place the QR where the customers can scan easily. Third point, ask customers to wait for payment confirmation. Why this matters? Many failures happen when customers leave early. What merchants should do? Always wait for payment success notification. Check transaction history in the app. Do not trust screenshots alone. Payment is valid only when it shows successful. Fourth point, check your bank account status. Why this matters? Bank issues can block payments. What merchants should do? Ensure bank account is active. Keep KYC completed. Avoid using blocked or inactive accounts. Fifth point, keep the Google Pay for Business app updated. Why this matters? Old app versions may have bugs. What merchants should do? Regularly update Google Pay for Business app. Update phone system when required. Sixth point, educate customers about UPI PIN errors. Why this matters? Wrong UPI PIN entry causes failures. What merchants should do? Politely tell customers to re-enter the PIN carefully. Ask them to try again slowly. PIN errors are most common reason for failed payments. Seventh point, avoid peak banking hours if possible. Why this matters? Banks may be slow during busy times. Examples, late nights, month-end days, heavy traffic hours. What merchants should do? Ask customers to retry after few minutes if failed. Eighth point, know the UPI daily limit. Why this matters? UPI has daily transaction limits set by banks. What merchants should do? If payment fails, ask customer if limit is reached. Suggest using another bank account or payment method. Ninth point, handle pending payments properly. Important rule is do not ask customer to pay again immediately. What merchants should do? Wait for final status. Check app after few minutes. If pending becomes failed, then retry. 10th point, keep a backup payment option. Why this matters? Technology can fail sometimes. What merchants should keep? Cash option, another UPI app, alternate bank QR. This avoids losing customers. What merchants should never do? Never force customer to pay twice. Never accept payment without confirmation. Never trust screenshots only. Never share your UPI PIN. What are the simple daily checklists for merchants? Internet working, QR code visible, app updated, payment confirmed, transaction recorded. The summary is Merchants can avoid Google Pay transaction failures by using a stable internet connection, checking payment confirmation, keeping the app updated, and ensuring bank and QR details are correct.